How to change hotspot name on Android. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your hotspot name on Android. First of all, you need to open settings. Then you need to click on mobile network. And here you need to click on personal hotspot. Click on it. And then you need to click on device name. Here you will need to change your device name. Other devices will see this name when you use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, personal hotspot and USB. Just change the name. I'll type let me guide and then you need to click on OK. Once you click on OK, your device name will be changed. And whenever you give hotspot to someone, they will see your name as let me guide. So that wrap up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.